Let's see how close I can get. All right. Let's try my new one. I still got it. I still got it, guys. Let's see how close. I actually came to the basket. I can't believe I just got here and got 2 new discs, which I needed. I've been busy doing other things, but I always come back. Okay, here's the last one I threw. There's the basket. Here's the first one I threw. Yeah, you guys. I love this shit. That's because I got the camera. I'm holding the camera. But I would have hit that off camera. Let's see. You suck. So, 2 out of 4, 50%. I'll take that. Anyhow, you guys, I got a few more holes I need to play. Not sure if I'm going to play a